This is one of the analysis for the GBP USD currency pair. This is for the British pound versus the US dollar analysis for the second and third week. This is for the third week of September. As we can see already, we see this is the weekly time frame we are in. You're looking at it right now. Let me make it open. If you look at the weekly time frame, you can see that the market is in an uptrend going. You see that? It's an uptrend. So this is why we said that, because it's been doing, no, we can see that that's the trend. But we say it because the market's been doing, it's doing the high, it's doing a higher low, it's doing a higher low, higher low, higher high. So because of that, we say the market is in a bullish trend. So now let's see what we can see now. After the last week of September, we can see that this is almost a gravestone doji. The last week of August gave us. That's telling us if we're gonna be in the market for that week. That's telling us, hey, because of this third candlestick right here, last week of July, of August, that the market might go bearish. This is what's been happening. We see this is the week of September 4th. This is the week, or last week, the market's been going down. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what's happening. Okay, in the 4-hour time frame, clearly we are on a down we are on a downtrend. Clearly you can see it. It's been doing lower low, right? It's been doing lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and because of it, now this is where it is. You can see the 3 EMA black is first, 150, 100, and 200. That's mean it's clearly gonna be for the 4-hour, but things might turn around. So it's getting closer to that monthly resistance right here. So when it most likely it will hit that resistance. So if it hit that resistance, like we said in the same case, if it's come here, open, it might go here to come back to test here and come back down, or it might come back down and then go test that area right here. See that area right here? This is the 4-hour resistance. It might come to test it. If it's gonna continue to go down, it might break it. I don't know what's the news gonna be, and come back to test it to go even lower. That's a possibility. So for this week, so here we might have a trade. But if it's come back, if it doesn't come, let's say it doesn't stay, he might this is what he might do. Okay, also he might come down, test this first, right? He might come up bullish, test this, then go down. Don't do this. Okay, he might do this and do this. He might do that. Okay, that's why we need to know, hey, there's a 4 hours. If we put a quick little thing here, there's a little 4 hours resistance right here. So that this is what might happen. Let me change that to green, because all my 4 hours I keep them to green. So it might be like this. Okay, he tested 1, twice, 3 times, 4 times before it break it. Come back, see where it tested it. It's almost tested, come down. So he might come back and test it this time before it come down. So this is what might happen for next week. There's a little pin bar here in the direction of the trend. So that might be a possibility. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame to see what's going on. It is in a bearish trend as well. This is clear. As you can see, that might happen here and then come back, or it might go the other way, come back to this level before it goes down to this level again. So 30 minutes, but we don't need to go that far. But you can see it might go touch that. It might not go 30 minutes might give you a trade before then. You might come back here to touch the EMA and then go down to bring it to here before he said, you know what, it might go down, it might go up from there. From here, it might continue to go up, or it might continue to go down. So this is what might happen. So we know this is out of our time frame that might happen. Okay, so this is I want you to take a look, pay attention this week to see what might happen in the market.